In this video, we will introduce the Synergistic Resilience Approach. In the last video, we discussed 7 gaps that prevent us from working together effectively during disasters and emergencies. The Synergistic Resilience Approach responds to these gaps by proposing 7 corresponding prerequisites for enhancing disaster risk governance. The first prerequisite of shared challenge frame the disaster or emergency as a common problem that multiple sectors, systems, and levels must understand and address together. The second prerequisite of shared operationalization of resilience helps partners understand what resilience means in a given situation. Stability of earth, fluidity of water, transformability of fire, or mobility of air. The third prerequisite of shared synergistic resilience opportunities helps us choose the right opportunity for action from the 8 synergistic resilience opportunities. Anticipate, mitigate, prepare, and test before the challenge, and withstand, cope, restore, and thrive after the challenge. The fourth prerequisite of shared partner identification helps partners clarify who needs to be involved across the reference, proximal, and distal levels. The fifth prerequisite of shared directions help align partners around a shared purpose, information, resources, and action. The sixth prerequisite of shared values ensures that disaster risk governance is guided by trust, diversity, equity, inclusion, innovation, productivity, sustainability, and accountability. The seventh and last prerequisite of shared leadership helps partners exercise leadership that transcends boundaries and is responsive to the context. Synergistic resilience is the dynamic, interconnected, and value-based collaborative approach that integrates leadership across multiple systems, sectors, and levels, including individuals, communities, and both human and natural systems, to promote resilience by effectively and efficiently reducing the risk of challenges and managing them when they occur, achieving more collectively than individual systems functioning alone. The Synergistic Resilience Compass is a framework based on the Synergistic Resilience Approach. It promotes disaster risk governance across systems, sectors, and levels, delivering 1 plus 1 equals 3 outcomes. It presents the 7 prerequisites that address the corresponding gaps in a memorable visual format. In this video, we discuss the 7 prerequisites to address the 7 gaps, the Synergistic Resilience Approach, and the Synergistic Resilience Compass as conceptual and practical tools for working together effectively during disasters and emergencies. In the third video, we will discuss the first prerequisite, shared challenges in detail.